All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel. My name is Panda. I go by Panda Poise on Telegram, and I wanted to kind of talk about something today that I think could be extremely lucrative for those that are looking for completely bottomed out, forgotten dumpster fire projects. Obviously, you know what this video is about because you've looked at the title, but I wanted to talk about this because I think that it is possible that Harmony One sees at least a 50x this cycle. It's possible. I'm going to give a conservative number here. Anywhere from 15 to 30 cents, I think, is almost guaranteed. And that's because of a lot of the information that I've been doing research on for Harmony One. And let me just preface real quick. Okay. You look at this project, you look at this chart, right? If we go over to TradingView, this looks like a rug. This is basically over. It's trading essentially at its initial launch price, right? But the way that I think, the way that I see this as an opportunity. Okay. So during the bear market, you can see that it kind of, did a little bit of waves up and down, blah, 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 as they probably announced a few different things. But, you know, its bear market low was actually just recently 4 months ago, it hit a bear market low, okay, of an eighth of a penny, which, I mean, if it survived this long, especially with the whole crash of everything that just happened recently, a couple months ago, you know how Bitcoin went up to all-time highs and then everything came back down. That's about the time that this happened. That's probably when a lot of fear hit the market and everyone was like, you know what, crypto really is going to zero. It didn't even break all-time high and we're going back down already. So, fear dictates where the market can go in times of uncertainty. Plus, we were way off of the presidential election. So let me just say, presidential election was wild. I definitely made some good gains off of that. So if you're not in the Telegram, go and check it out. I've been making calls for a little while now. I've been in crypto for years, but check it out. Might be something you're interested in. You can go to my Twitter and the Telegram is right there. Anyways, back to what we were talking about. I've actually specifically heard other YouTubers, I won't say any names, but like YouTubers, influencers, people like that, relatively recently say Harmony One's dead. It's over. It's never coming back. I'm just not even going to pay attention to it. And that made me immediately pay attention to it. I feel like most people that would have heard that would have taken it seriously and said, you know what, you're right. I'm just going to move on. I'm not going to look at it. I don't think like that. I think, okay, so the majority of people are not looking at this project. Why? So there are some problems with Harmony One. There was I think in 2022, there was a hacked through their bridge. If you're a Harmony One fanboy, you probably know this story. Their bridge was hacked, I believe, and they lost about $100 million. That's a terrifying thing. Getting hacked in crypto, guys, is not out of the ordinary. Sure, it created probably a lot of fear and people stopped trusting the project. But hey, Binance was hacked at one point, okay? And that's the top exchange of crypto. And this is another thing that people don't really think about, right? I mean, let's just face it. People don't think for themselves in crypto at all. They think about what their favorite YouTuber says or what their favorite CT influencer says, right? But if you want to find those bottom up projects that are still doing work behind the scenes, like the way that I picture Harmony is Harmony's like just bare minimum staying kind of afloat on their social medias just because they're behind the scenes and they're fucking working and they're getting shit done. I believe that there's going to be another extremely big AI boom. I have a theory, I should say, that I think Harmony is working on something to release during the bull market when things are going crazy. This is going to be one of those tokens, or could be one of those tokens, that just sits here and goes under everybody's radar. And then all of a sudden, when it's up here at 15 cents, that's when everybody's like, whoa, what the hell? It's already 15x at this point, right? And everyone goes, all through all your Telegram group chats and where all your buddies talk, everyone goes, have you seen Harmony One? What the fuck? I thought that project was dead. And it's up here at 15 cents. And now all you and your homies and you or your buddies, maybe it's even higher. Maybe it's fucking up here by all-time high. I don't know. Testing, the first previous all-time high. Could be just at 10 cents. Doesn't matter. It's going to wick. So I think Harmony One could just wick. right? Could just wick. Maybe it'll come back down. Maybe it'll do a bunch of this shit, blah, 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 right? But I think it could wick and nobody's talking about it. But as soon as it's here, right? 8 cents, comes down a little bit. Ah, it's dead again. It was just a pump. Wick again up here, 15 cents. This is when everyone's going to start talking about Harmony One, right? Maybe there's a little bit of chatter around here. Maybe there's some bearish, oh, you know, it's all dead. But if Harmony One explodes like I think it could, this is around the time that people are going to start talking about it again, you know, and then they're going to get in here and then it's going to come down. They're going to get wrecked. And this is all going to happen over the course of like maybe 2, 3, 4 months, right? And then it could absolutely just explode. And I can show you why I think it could. I think there's going to be an absolutely massive AI boom in crypto again. I don't think we've seen it all. I think it's going to absolutely go insane. You know, I guess I'm going to sound like Alex Becker at this point, but I think gaming and AI obviously are going to be massive in the gaming or in the crypto space, right? Say you think this project actually is dead. You're trading on a daily basis, or you know, you're just investing. If you got a spare $100, $50, you throw it into Harmony One, and this shit rips up to half of its all-time high. Okay, you made 15x for something you could have forgot about. Maybe you got more than that. Maybe you got 200, 500, $1,000 you can forget about that you don't care about, and you chuck it into Harmony One. And around these spots, you start taking profits, take your margin off the table, whatever it is, however it is that you trade, and then you know you're free, house money, right? Well, let's get into actually the Harmony One dot country, okay? Their protocol. Harmony One is an open blockchain with data sharding and fast finality. Social finance and community AI can use our on-chain tokens for micropayments, smart contracts for market pricing, and zero-knowledge proofs for data privacy. Harmony's mission is to scale trust and create a radically fair economy. Our platform is decentralized, scalable, and secure to settle any transactions without trusted parties. Try our on-chain options and futures on B Country with sustainable incentives, AGI agents for Twitter with market making, meme launchpad on our X Country or Telegram Harmony One bot. So Human Protocol is a bot that they're working on right now. This was updated September 14th. So they're working on shit, guys. They are working and they are updating. And I feel like if you let this opportunity slip, you might really regret it. Let's go over some of this. Human Protocol has the following 3 components. Quests. Our Telegram app has singular mission. Verify 1 million Binance accounts for Human token launch. So they're planning on a token launch called Human. I don't know when that's going to happen, but it's something you can keep your eyes on. Point boosts if your Telegram account is old or your Binance portfolio has active assets. Our fun and social quests typically convert 10 of our subscribers. Launchpad, our generative AI, Sam, so they're calling it Sam, creates a 5-minute 1080p video, 3 stylized shorts, and unlimited WebP stickers within 60 minutes of any meme coin submission. So you submit an AI meme coin, boom, this fucking thing just makes all your content for you within an hour. Daily auctions of projects by the highest engagement for exchange launch, plus market makers, plus leveraged liquidity, along with 100 days of news stories and original visuals via media partners. Okay, so they're auctioning projects out by if they're the highest one that's engaged with for exchange launching. You know how people put those polls all the time, like, oh, penis coin and fucking, you know, dog shit coin and cat piss coin, and they have them all in these polls on who the winner is. Imagine if yours won and you got an exchange listing, you got leveraged liquidity, you got all kinds of stuff for that project that you believe in. This right here alone is an absolute shiller's dream. And people take shilling fucking seriously, but I will show it to you anyway. You can make your account Hello on One bot, and you can find this on their website right here, just right on their front page. I'm gonna go ahead and close my Telegram for a minute. That's driving me nuts. Right on their homepage, Harmony One bot, so you can find it here and you can test it out. So how to add Harmony to MetaMask. So you can ask Harmony. And this is the other thing too. One of their models was, why pay a subscription when you can pay as you go? So instead of having to pay a monthly subscription to something to use their product, instead of the subscription-based model that most projects use because it's an easy way to just always get paid by your customers, Harmony One is going for a pay-as-you-use. So loading up like a little wallet to use. Mind you, I don't know, maybe it's a bit expensive. I don't know how much the credits are. You start with 100 credits. It gives you 100 credits when you join. So I already tested it. I meant to write Hairy Man Dancing, but I wrote Hairman Dancing. So I just went with the image. I wanted to see what happened. So /image Hairman Dancing. This is what I got. Pretty cool. It's connected through OpenAI, right? So if I go image, Harmony One chart at all-time highs. Right here, Harmony One chart at all-time highs. Let's see what it looks like. Bitcoin, yay. Anyways, so it's your run-of-the-mill, AI image generator, right? So when you're making a coin, this is my guess on the chain, when you're making a coin, it's probably going to ask you a series of questions. What does your mascot look like? What colors is your token based around? All these different things, and it'll generate you all this stuff. And if you don't like it, you can probably regenerate. It's just like a one-stop shop for when you release your meme coins, by the sound of it. So when people are, saying Harmony One's dead, or not even the fact that they're saying Harmony One's dead, nobody's even talking about Harmony One. Nobody's talking about Harmony One in the sense of, like, to them, it's already so far and gone and dead to them that they're not even talking about it to the point where they're saying it's dead, right? But if Harmony One plays it right this bull run, and they're setting up to launch something and get it on chain and get it kind of in front of people's eyes and do like some marketing campaigns, Harmony could explode, guys. Explode. The market cap of Harmony One, the full diluted valuation, is 178 million. To 100x, all this has to do is go to a 17 billion market cap. Mind you, it's never been that high before. A 17 billion market cap, okay? There are meme coins that didn't even make it on centralized exchanges last bull run that did 17 billion. Saitama did like 16, 17 billion, and it didn't even get launched on major exchanges. It just mooned. Could this do 17 billion? I don't know. Not even trying to aim for that. Could it do 1.7 billion? Absolutely. 1.7 billion is 10x from here. So you're looking at a 12 cent. You're looking at 12 cents. I do believe it's going to do that. Right? I do believe it's got enough life in it to at least do some kind of jump like that. And I'll say it again, we are at almost market lows, at bear market lows. We are not far from bear market lows. Anyways, to wrap this video up, I implore you to do your research on Harmony One. If you find all the information bullish, buy it. If you don't, then don't buy it. It doesn't really matter. To me, with the information that I'm reading, the fact that the team is still behind the scenes, not giving a shit what people think and just working, I think they might have something lined up to get launched. They might pump some information out that becomes super bullish and sends Harmony One absolutely skyrocketing to all-time highs. I don't know. Maybe. It's kind of unlikely, but at the same time, is it though? One last thing. If you want to go and check out their Telegram group, they've only got 54 people in here. This is the last point I'll make. Look at how few people are paying attention to what they're even doing. So if you ever thought to yourself, how do I get into a project that's like super early? How do I learn about something that other people don't know about yet? This right here, there's 54 people in their bot group. Apply to join. I just applied to join to try to get in there. There's nobody in here. Now you can look at that bearish or you can look at that bullish. You can go, there's nobody in here, nobody gives a shit. Or you can look at it like there's nobody in here yet. This might be an opportunity. Okay. Awesome, guys. Peace and love. Appreciate you checking out the video. Welcome to my brand new YouTube channel. Subscribe, and we'll be seeing you more and more throughout the bull market. Later.